Hey guys, it's Reese. It's been a while since I've done a just car boxing gun video, and that's what I'm doing for my YouTube channel right now. So yeah, I thought I'd do it because I normally do it, doing a live or something kind of thing. And then I just started realizing something. I keep doing live car unboxing things over and over again, and it's at sometimes it's fun, other times it's not as much fun. So it's like, hey, maybe today I'll do a video instead. And that's what I'm doing. This custom Mustang is from the Furious Fleet set. Now, strangely enough, or surprisingly enough either, I wouldn't say strangely, but I would have said really more likely, surprisingly enough, I was able to get this Dodge as well. The Honda S2000 seems to be gone really quickly at any store that this Furious Fleet set is sold at, which is a Hot Wheels Premium Fast and Furious set. Yeah, that one seems to be going pretty quickly. So does the Dodge and the Mustang. The two that seem to be on, the pegs or shelves or wherever they are in the store for this Fast and Furious set are the Jeep and that Land Rover. Because they're peg warmers. They're the cars that no one really wants from this set. So yeah. However, I was able to get this one. So I now have 2 out of 5 cars for this set. So yeah. I don't plan on ever completing this set because, these cars are a little pricey. They're like, I want to say, about a bit over $6 or close to $6. Either way, that's, kind of expensive for a Hot Wheels premium car. I mean, they're not as expensive as, Johnny Lightning. Johnny Lightning is like $1 more than these, actually, in stores where Johnny Lightning cars are sold normally. So, yeah. Also, I just wanted to clarify something. I looked at the bottom of this car. It's actually a custom Ford Shelby GT350R, not 500. This is a 350R. I don't know if anyone can see that on the video when it's on my channel, but it says Ford Shelby GT350R. So yeah, I just thought I'd clarify that. Because, there is a small but kind of big horsepower and engine difference between this and the GT500. So yeah. Anyways, enough talk about, differences in new Ford Mustang cars and all of the differences that I was going to explain between this one and the other one and basic and premium cars from Hot Wheels because that's not what the point of this video is. I mean, if anyone did want clarification, I'm glad I had mentioned that because now we can unbox the car, which is what this video is for. And if you're seeing nothing for a few seconds or so, which hopefully doesn't take too long, it's because I'm unboxing the car. Unfortunately, I'm not near that hands-free phone thing because that's in a different location. That's actually in the location I normally do my live of things on my YouTube channel on. So yeah. Anyways, I'm gonna unbox it right now. So I will be back shortly. Right, there it is, the custom Ford Mustang Shelby GT350R from the Fast and Furious Fleet Hot Wheels Premium set. I gotta say, I really do like the blue color on this car with the white stripe going down the spoiler, roof, and hood. There's the taillights, which aren't, bad at all. They seem to be done quite nicely, I will say. The headlights aren't bad either. I mean, again, when you think about it, if you get a premium diecast car from Hot Wheels, Matchbox, whatever company's making it, you will tend to get way better headlight and taillight detail. However, the wheels and rims on here, I'm not saying are bad or ugly or anything like that. It's just that I feel like, they could have had a better, like, wheel rim color inside the tires or wheels right there. But, the black on black wheels and rim tire selection isn't bad. So it's a decent car. I mean, I still like this car from this Hot Wheels set. It's a really nice looking Mustang, I will say. Now, I know someone who would definitely like this in their collection, and that is Mustang Hunter Diecast. He would definitely like this car. Just clearing stuff out. So, yeah, there's the car. Well, I hope you enjoyed this video, and please be on the lookout for more Diecast car unboxing videos, MLB B21, box opening videos, or team update videos, and also a new kind of well, actually 2 new video series for my channel, and that is I'm doing a new like push finger drag racing thing with 2 cars at a time. I haven't really decided to make a tournament thing quite yet because right now I'm just running a bunch of racing. Not all of them are race cars, but some of them are. I'm just racing a bunch of random cars with this Hot Wheels drag racing item. So yeah. I'll let you know when those videos happen to be on my channel, or well, what I mean by I'll let you know is like I will take time some day of the week or weekend to make those videos. And also, this new video series that, it does relate to cars and video games. It's a car racing video game. However, it's not a normal video that I mention too often on here. It's not Top Drives, it's not Rebel Racing, it's not CSR Racing, or Asphalt, or Rail Racing 3, or Need for Speed. It's not any of those car racing video games. It's actually a completely different car racing video game, and surprisingly, this game, I want to say, has like the fewest amount of tracks ever that you could choose in a car racing game. I mean, it's not like, Gran Turismo or Forza, so you can't really compare it to those. It's a mobile device game for like, smartphones and smart tablets. So yeah. But anyways, that's it for this video. So yeah, just be on the lookout for all my next, fun, exciting videos on my channel. Whether it's, baseball ones about those 2 teams and the baseball video game on the phone or tablet, or whether it could be about MLB The Show 21 videos type thing. It could be car racing videos, it could be car unboxing videos, car racing videos with the diecast cars. It could be a show and tell video, anything really. But just be on the lookout. And I'll end up, making maybe like a short teaser kind of video to let you know like, hey, this video is going to be coming out soon on my channel for a full video kind of thing. So yeah. I may end up doing that just because, it takes way less time, and then it's kind of like a brief announcement saying, attention, going live in 5-10 minutes to do something with cars or video games kind of thing, or like making a video soon on the channel about car racing or show and tell. You all should know what I mean, given the fact that if you are subscribed to my channel already, this is not old news. It's not all of it's old news, but some of it is. I mean, the only new stuff really is this push finger drag racing and the Oscillato car racing video game videos. Those are really the 2 main new video that I will be adding on my channel sometime soon. In fact, there will be 1 video for each garage collection on Oscillato Racing for the phone and tablet sometime today, actually. It just depends on if I have the time for that. But hopefully I do. If not, then it's going to be tomorrow. Or sometime this weekend. Or maybe next week. I don't know. It just really depends on timing as the main thing. But hopefully I can have my new Oscillato car racing video games, garage collections, and stuff like that be on my channel soon. Bye everyone. Thanks for watching. And yes, I do apologize that this video was way longer than I had expected. Bye now. Have a good day, evening, or morning,